Well, hello. How are you? Good to see you again. Let's revisit some of the knives from yesterday, and two of them, because on that blue one, I have yet to find anything on about it. Anyway, let's start first with this Sarge. Now, from the research I did, and this is my second opinion, this is going to be the Blue Turbo Lock Folder, Turbo Lock. Well, I'm not sure what's so turbo about the lock, but if you do press it, it falls down rather spiffy. Making for a pretty decent fidget knife. Now we have aluminum handle, which is good. We have a steel liner, which is good. We have a lanyard hole, which is big enough to fit a lanyard. You have some nifty little spacers right there. Nice screws on both sides. They're flush. Sometimes you don't see it on both sides. As I mentioned yesterday, I do wish they would take and make this a tip up. This plunge lock, as you can see here, as you press it, and it's just a simple spring-loaded mechanism. Now, my dislike for flippers are some of them are rather, well, they're loose. But we'll get to that in a minute. This blade is 3.1 inches. It's a 440C satin finish, which is, they did really good on the finish. Very good. I'm impressed. It goes for $32 in most places. The pivot system is a ball bearing. So maybe that's why it flip opens a little bit better. Sharpness. Now, I'm not sure if this is sharpness out of the box or what, but it's not bad. There's even some hair. So anyway, it's an inexpensive flipper knife. The lockup's tight. It has a lot of quality for the price. And if you're looking for a knife that, is just kind of fun, I say go for it. It's a good knife. I don't see where you could go wrong. Well, that didn't go right. I don't see where you could go wrong. Well, that didn't go right. I don't see where you could go wrong. Yay! I gotta go. I'm terribly busy. We'll see you.